Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi phone guys lock screen setting, and today video title is guys how to change phone sleep time on Redmi mobile and how to increase phone sleep time on Redmi mobile guys. Both of setting in this video we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Redmi phone setting. After on Redmi phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. So friends, click on Redmi mobile lock screen setting. Then friends, click here sleep setting. Friends, you can see lock screen setting, sleep setting, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 5 minute. Example friends, we will click 15 second, and friends don't tap on your Redmi phone screen only for 15 seconds. Automatic friends, your phone screen will sleep after 15 seconds if you do not tap on your screen. Okay friends, wait for only 15 seconds and guys automatic your phone screen will sleep. So like that friends, you can change your phone sleep time, and friends your phone screen of just second and minute. So you want to increase your phone sleep time, you can increase, and guys we will increase from new method. Then click here sleep setting, search here sleep setting, click here and you can increase. Friends, you can see never option. Friends, if you click here your screen will still on, never off. So friends, I will increase into 5 minutes only. So friends, you can check guys now, after 15 seconds phone will not sleep automatic on Redmi mobile if you do not tap. So guys, your phone will sleep after 5 minutes if you do not tap on your Redmi phone screen. So like that friends, we can increase phone sleep time on Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.